Ayun, so narinig nga natin about when it comes sa technical side of things sa condominium dito sa Emerald Suites. And right now, nandito tayo with Ma'am Sally, our business relationship manager na could share more a little sa Emerald Suites, why our buyers will going to invest dito. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa mga buyers natin na to encourage them to buy here?
Yeah. First, the location.
Okay.
It's right along almost
Mm.
Friendship
Highway.
And then going to the city, very what do you call it? It's very
Accessible.
accessible, yeah. And the place is basically it's a border property.
Oo, correct.
At, and given this project, it's just very tiny, especially for a lot of mga, what do you call this, mga Gen Z.
Gen Z, mga millennials.
Millennials who want to have a place of their own. Di
Yes,
ba?
correct.
So, and it's a good investment per se. Kasi now, at this junction, it's launching. You can see this.
Ang dami nating mga promotion ng discounts.
So we have, it says here, we have 700,000 discounts. And what are this?
And for the ngayon, no, 25,000 for our reservation instead of 50.
It should be 50,000. What is initial launching lang? 50,000, but then it was made 50%. That is only 25,000.
Yes.
25,000 down payment. Well, as we have said, and then what else?
Ang dami nating mga discounts that we could
Ang
offer.
daming discount. One of which, if you buy now, is a 20% off the total contract price.
Wow. So, but those are for selected units.
For yeah.
Yes. And I believe for this condo, ma'am, meron din tayong exclusivity when it comes on the 4th level. Kasi they're not open for Airbnb, no? Exclusive for residential only. But on the 1st to 3rd level, pwedeng for Airbnb if they want to rent it out. So that's possible. So that's why having a condominium project or a property is a very sound investment because it can give us a potential return through rental. Ayun. Lalo na, sabi nyo nga po, the location is very prime and strategic.
Ayun. Only that, down the ground floor are the commercial.
Commercial. Yeah. So, it's within your reach, no? Talagang, hindi ka nalalayo pa.
Yeah, the one thing about architect man, they are very flexible. Kumbaga, kung konti na lang pagbibigyan. But then yun nga, without prejudice to the quality.
Yes. And exclusive tayo, konti lang yung mga units natin. Hindi siya like madaming-madami.
No. Hopefully, we can have more of this kind of a project.
Yes.
In the area. Laki pa naman.
Any final message with our future clients?
So, I am more focused on the licensed real estate brokers who have been with us for the longest time since the Beverly store. And now here, this is a new venture of Architect Management Company. We hope to have you again and hope more brokers will be coming out to support us.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. And yun nga, looking forward po for this success new venture into condo or vertical project na Ma'am Yo family. No? Thank you so much po. Yeah, thank you po. And yeah, see you on our next vlog.